Morning guys, welcome to Tagman channel. Working on this Cadillac again today, and I got on the internet last night looking for a Y pipe and I couldn't find anything. So I guess I could probably go to Napa, see if they can order me one up, or see if I could dig one up. I can get a whole exhaust system front to back for about $4.95, another $95 shipping from eBay, which probably isn't bad really, you know. And I do have somebody I know that can bend the pipes. They can do it too, I think. I don't know about the Y pipe. I don't know if they got the tooling to do all that. But all that to say, I'm here and I'm working on patching up this hole. And what we've got is this ugly hole in the Y pipe. And it goes up through here and it's around here. So it's kind of involved. All the way around the other side and then up here. There's a little crack up there hole that's about half the width of my finger. So I've been working on putting a piece together. It's starting to look like this. I took a hole saw, made that profile there to start with. I got it so I can get it up on here. I use a slip roll too to put a curve to it, made it roundish. I got it rolled up where it covers that hole on top, and then I just figure out welding and tapping it in place. Now, this has taken me forever so far, and I've got another half of forever to go. But I just want to hear this thing run a little quieter, so yeah, I think this thing might work. We'll see. So I got it welded down this side. I got it fairly close over here. I'm going to follow it, basically weld and go, but I'm going to have to nip this out. This is going to have to get curved out a little bit, just kind of like I did on the other side, so that it'll fit around that pipe and I can weld it in tight. Welding the top's going to be a problem, but I think I got enough room to get the handle from the welder up in there, so we'll give it a try. There's a little tab there you can see. I'm going to try to weld that and then get it welded across there. Now it's tough. I got to stick the gun up there upside down and just kind of bring it down, and pretty much got to do it by feel. I got this carved out. I'm thinking once that squeezes down, I might have to carve it a little more, but I can also heat it with a torch and tap it, and that'll make it, you know, more flexible. It'll get in there easier. Hey guys, thanks for watching the channel. Really appreciate it. Like, share, subscribe, ring that bell. Anyway, so here's where we're at. We've got this right here. I got it where I just trimmed that up a little that way, trying to make a curve. Trim that up at a curve, and hopefully if I landed right, that's going to squeeze right into place. Well, it's taken forever, but I got it looking pretty good. I got a little bit more to do. I got a hole up here that I don't know how to get in there to weld it. I was thinking about dropping a bolt head there, so there's just one hole there, and you know that's going to make a racket. One little hole. So annoying. Little bolt head. Carriage bolt too. Oh, there it goes. Drops right in there. So if I just weld that out, I'd do it. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. It's easy. And I'm getting sick of this game. I want this done. I spent probably 2 hours on that. So I just welded up that pipe. That's good enough for right now. Probably have to put a new exhaust system on in a couple years, but for right now, that's good enough. Took me a couple hours and a little bit of welding wire and a piece of tin. Not a big deal. Well, sheet steel really, but not a big deal. Anyways, like, share, subscribe, all that fun stuff. We'll see you on the next one.